Yo, YouTube, what going on, man? Hey, we got any Juice Wrld fans in here? Hey, today I got a Juice Wrld preset for y'all, man. Hey, y'all don't want to miss it, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out a whole lot more than y'all would know. Hey, man, without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sound like. I ain't gonna waste y'all time. Oh yeah, these are real Juice Wrld vocals, but it's raw. You feel me? No auto-tune, no mixing. I'll show y'all what it sounds like raw, and then with my preset that I made. Hey, so y'all stick around. Y'all hear what it sound like, man.
I pray this reefer help me get rid of my demons. I pray this reefer help me get rid of my demons. Yeah. Stuck in my mind, oh yeah, I'm in my prime, oh yeah, taking my time, oh yeah, even though everything feels so fast, losing my mind, but it's okay, it's fine, I'ma just keep getting high, yeah, I'm trying to reach new heights. There's times when I feel alone, 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 I wonder if anybody knows. I pray this reefer help me get rid of my demons. I pray this reefer help me get rid of my demons. Yeah. Stuck in my on.
Hey, y'all heard the preset, man. There's no cap in my rap. Stop playing with me. That preset is the truth. Hey, so I'm gonna show y'all everything I did to the preset. Y'all don't want to miss a thing, man. And a big disclaimer, man, this preset will not turn you into Juice Wrld. Hey, the first thing I added to the Juice Wrld preset, man, I got a noise gate. I know y'all probably heard my daughter just then, but I got a noise gate because of obvious reasons, because of background noise. You don't want background noise in your recordings, so we slap on a noise gate. Well, if it's cutting out too much noise, y'all know how to change it. So I feel like, yeah, everybody should know how to edit the noise gate. I just dropped a video on how to get noise out of your recording, so y'all go check that out. Okay, cool, man. After the noise gate, we went ahead and added a tape simulator. Hey, the tape simulator, it just added a little body, a little warmness to the vocals, you know what I'm saying, making it sound more in your face, you know what I'm saying. So that's what we got. If it's too much for you, too much saturation, just come off of the drive song. Turn the drive down a little bit. Hey, this is me trying to copy a little Juice Wrld type shit. I'm trying to reach new heights. There's times when I feel alone. There's times when I feel alone. I wonder if anybody notices. Okay, man, after that, we got a graphic EQ. The graphic EQ plays a big role in mixing any vocals. This is where you like shake the vocal out, get the cleanness out, you know what I'm saying, get the vocal sounding clean, get the bad frequencies out of there, or boost what we want, you know what I'm saying. So that's what we did with the graphic EQ. Every mic is gonna be different, y'all, so keep that in mind when dealing with the graphic EQ, you know what I'm saying, but you most definitely need it. Yes sir. So after that graphic EQ, man, we added an exciter to add a little brightness to the vocals. This is what I got. Hey, so y'all make sure to use the exciter in y'all vocals if you need brightness. Just like any other part of the preset, y'all can edit this up to make it sound better. Had to throw the stunner shades on, you feel me? And the next thing we got on the preset is a de-esser. And the de-esser, it helps the vocals, like, it helps the S's like be softer, not be so sharp. You don't want to hear that loud sound in your vocals. That's so annoying. Hey man, so we put a de-esser on and it handled that a little bit. And she want to be in the video so bad, y'all. Hey, after the de-esser, we got a Techlab BA28 compressor. This keeps the vocals more consistent. It takes the loud parts and squashes it down so all the vocals can be like this instead of like jumping around like a roller coaster. You know what I'm saying? Now it makes the vocals more consistent. And that's what we're looking for in our vocals, man. Consistent. That's the key. Consistency is the key in compression, you feel me? After that, man, we got another compressor just to have these vocals even more consistent and pop out more in the mix. My bad if my voice sound a little sinusy. I got a little cold season changer. But I got the DI-GI comp. Y'all know I don't use this compressor that much, but here the settings I got, man. I ain't got too much to say on it. The vocals sound a lot better after this, man. Hey, y'all already knew it was coming. Hey, now we got the studio reverb. We got to have that reverb on every preset. Hey man, so here are the settings I got. If you want less reverb, turn the size down. Turn the mix amount down. If you want more reverb, turn the mix amount up. know what I'm saying, self-explanatory shit, you know what I'm saying? Last thing we added on the preset, man, was the delay. Hey, these are the settings I got for the delay. I picked this delay. I mean, you could change it up to any other delay you want, but you know what I'm saying, this is what I went with. All right, mama, here you go, hold on. My daughter going crazy for these snacks, here you go. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. If you made it this far in the video, I want you to comment slat, man. I know you're a real one, man. Comment slat if you made it this far in the video. You know what I'm saying? I know you're a real one. You watched the whole thing. Hey, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I know I said it earlier in the video, man, but you know what I'm saying? Can't stress it enough. I'll see y'all next video, man. I appreciate y'all for staying, man. Y'all some real champs. You feel me? But yeah, man, y'all make sure to go use the preset, man.
Smoking this dope, relax. I ain't gonna lie,